Good morning, students. Hope you will be fine at your respective places. Today, we are going to start one more this micromolecule, microelement, and that microelement is manganese. That microelement is manganese. Again, we will try to describe this element in four different headings. First one, that is the form. Second one, that is the requirement, where it is required. Third is the third is the function. Third is the function, and last one is the deficiency. So this manganese element, it can be also described in four different headings. Now this manganese ion, it is absorbed in the form of ion that is called as magnesious ion. That is called as magnesious ion, and that magnesious ion is bivalent. That is bivalent. Now, where it is required? It is required in the regions of leaves and seeds. Leaves and seeds. So, first one, it is absorbed in the form of magnesious ion, that is divalent in the regions of leaves and seeds. Now functions. अगर हम functions की बात करेंगे, this manganese ion, it performs some important functions for the plant. First one, अगर हम इसकी बात कर लेंगे, it activates enzymes. Like, I will give you the name of 2-3 enzymes. It activates the enzymes. First one enzyme is malic succinic hydrogenase. That is one. Then we have got one more, that is called malic dehydrogenase. It is malic dehydrogenase. Then second, oxalosuccinic hydrogenase. Third, अगर हम third की बात कर लेंगे, it is what we call as a nitrate reductase. See what the functions they are doing. It activates the enzymes like malic dehydrogenase and oxalosuccinic hydrogenase, and third, nitrate reductase. Now this nitrate reductase, it plays an important role in nitrogen metabolism. This nitrate reductase, it plays an important role in nitrogen metabolism. Now these malic hydrogenase and oxalosuccinic hydrogenase, these two enzymes, they play an important role. Yeah, we can say these are the essential enzymes for Krebs cycle. So these malic dehydrogenase and oxalosuccinic hydrogenase, these are the essential enzymes for Krebs cycle. Thus, they play an important role in cellular respiration. So this malic dehydrogenase and oxalosuccinic hydrogenase, these are the essential enzymes which take part in the Krebs cycle. So this Krebs cycle, we will see they play an important role in cellular respiration. And this third one, that is the nitrate reductase, it plays an important role in nitrogen metabolism. This is the one where it is needed. So this manganese, it plays an important role. Now proceed further. Second, where it is used, जो इसकी function है, where it is used. This manganese, it plays an important role in the formation of chlorophyll. This manganese, it plays an important role in the formation of chlorophyll. Third, जो हम बात करेंगे, it is required for the photolysis, that is the breakdown, photolysis of water. This manganese, it is required for the photolysis of water, that is the dissociation of the water molecule. And when it takes place, this photolysis of water, during photosynthesis. So these are the three main functions of this manganese. It activates enzymes like malic acid dehydrogenase, oxalosuccinic hydrogenase, nitrate reductase. Now this malic dehydrogenase and oxalosuccinic hydrogenase, they play an important role, are used in the Krebs cycle. Thus they are required during the cellular respiration. This nitrate reductase, it plays an important role in nitrogen metabolism. Second is the formation of chlorophyll, and third is the required for dissociation, or we can say photolysis of water during photosynthesis. Now what happened during this photolysis of water? As we know that photosynthesis gets completed in two steps. Photosynthesis, the process of photosynthesis, it gets completed in two steps. What are those two steps? First one is called as light reaction, and second one is called as dark reaction. What happened during the light reaction? We will see there are two pathways. In this light reaction, there are two pathways. First one is called as cyclic photophosphorylation, and the second is non-cyclic photophosphorylation. So light reaction, what we will see, it gets complete. There are two pathways. First one is the cyclic photophosphorylation, and second one is the non-cyclic photophosphorylation. In this non-cyclic photophosphorylation, what happens here? What we will see, water, that is this H2O, that water, it splits, it breaks down inside the thylakoids. This water, it dissociates, it splits inside the thylakoids, where in order to why these water, this water molecule, it splits inside the thylakoids to release the molecular oxygen, Now, so what we will study, the role of this manganese, manganese ion is thus in the thylakoids, and the role of this manganese in the thylakoids, it takes place during this non-cyclic photophosphorylation of photosynthesis or of light reaction in order to release the molecular oxygen. So this manganese, it is role what we will see, it is in the thylakoids in during the process of the during this non-cyclic photophosphorylation, during the process of photosynthesis. What we will see in the thylakoid is that it helps us in the breakdown, it helps us in the splitting of water molecule to release the molecular oxygen. So this is the role of manganese. एक और फंक्शन अगर हम इसकी बात कर लेंगे, व्हाट इट प्लेज ए रोल, अगर हम बात कर लेंगे, अगर इसकी एबंडेंस हम देखेंगे, एबंडेंस ऑफ मैग्नीज, उससे क्या होता है, दैट कैन लेड टू, या सीधा हम लिखेंगे कैन लेड टू deficiency of iron in plants. So abundance of manganese की अगर हम बात कर लेंगे, can lead to deficiency of iron in plants. So these are some of the functions which this, what we will see, manganese plays. But the two important, what is this important functions, that is that it is required for the photolysis of water during photosynthesis, and it also play an important role in the cellular respiration because it helps us in activating the enzymes, that is the malic dehydrogenase and oxalosuccinate dehydrogenase during the Krebs cycle. Now the deficiency of this plant, what are the various deficiencies when the deficiency of this manganese takes place in the plant. First deficiency is very much important. You are well aware about the oats, that is the of the family Gramineae, oats, उसमें एक disease हो जाती है, that is called as the gray spot. That disease is called as gray spot disease, and this gray spot disease, it takes place in the leaves or oats, leaves of oats, yeah, oats leaves. What we will see there, these gray spots rather, they are scattered, one here, another here, another here, another here on the leaf of this oats. And how it is formed, it is formed because when the deficiency takes place, no formation, we know this formation of chlorophyll does not take place. So in order to become the greener in color, what we will see when there is a deficiency of manganese, we will see here and there on this leaves of this oats, there are some gray spots, and this is the very much important function of this because no chlorophyll takes place. So we will see these gray spots are found on the leaves, and if these gray spots are numerous in number, it can lead to the failure of crops. This is the one which is very much important rather. It is a very much important. So it is often asked in the exam, gray spot disease, where it is found? It is found in the leaves of the oats. Second, very much important, it plays an important role in the formation of chlorophyll. So what we will see, जो chloroplasts होते हैं, chloroplasts are without chlorophyll, या अगर मौजूद भी होंगे, अगर क्लोरोफिल प्रेजेंट भी होगा, बट इट विल बी वेरी लेस इन नंबर. And chlorophyll plasts are without chlorophyll because this chlorophyll, it plays an important role in the process of photosynthesis. So we will see there are less starch grains. वो स्टार्च की जो फॉर्मेशन है उस पर भी असर पड़ जाता है. फोर्थ, अगर हम थर्ड फंक्शन इसके लेंगे, द root system of the plant is poorly developed. the root system is poorly developed. So what are the deficiency? First deficiency, very much important deficiency, that we know this plays an important role in the formation of chlorophyll to become the leaves more greener. We will see when there is a deficiency of the chlorophyll, these gray spots are found on the leaves of the oats, and these are scattered here and there. And when their gray spots are numerous in number, then there is the failure of crops. दूसरी बात, क्लोरोप्लास्ट जो होते हैं दे आर विदाउट क्लोरोफिल एंड स्टार्च ग्रेन्स. एंड थर्ड, जो रूट सिस्टम है इट इज पुअरली डेवलप्ड. So recapitulate what we have discussed. This, in which form this manganese is available to us? It is available to us in the magnesious ion. This manganese divalent. It is mainly required in the regions of leaves and seeds. It activates enzymes like malic dehydrogenase, oxalosuccinic dehydrogenase, which plays an important role in the cellular respiration during the process of Krebs cycle. And third enzyme, that is the nitrate reductase, which plays a role in the nitrogen metabolism. It plays a role in the formation of chlorophyll. Third, it is required for the photosynthesis of water during photosynthesis, because we know this photosynthesis it completed into two steps: light reaction and dark reaction. In light reaction, what we will see, there are two pathways. First one is the cyclic photophosphorylation, and second one is the non-cyclic photophosphorylation. In cyclic photophosphorylation, in non-cyclic photophosphorylation, what we will see, that there takes place the photolysis of the water, and that photolysis of water, it takes place in the thylakoids. So this manganese is required, इसकी जो function जो हम देखते हैं, it is required in the thylakoids in order to split the water to form the molecular oxygen during the non-cyclic photophosphorylation. हाँ, एक और बात, when there is the abundance of manganese, it leads to the deficiency of iron in plant. And these are the deficiencies, and the very much important deficiency is this gray spot disease, which is mainly found in the oats leaves. And third, we will see chloroplasts, they are without the chlorophyll, are less in number, and starch is also reduced, starch grains are less in number. And third one is that the root system is poorly developed. This was all about today's this topic. In the next video, we will try to proceed further to discuss few more these micro elements. Until then, goodbye. God bless you. Thanks.